Hey, it's Kyle here. I'd like to wish you a happy 2018, and I hope you're excited as I am for these new tutorials and videos that are coming in 2018. So anyway, I'd also like to encourage you to follow my Builderdude35 Instagram account. The username is just Builderdude35, and there you can keep up to date with any updates or announcements that I may make that I might not be able to make a video on. You could also see process pictures of some of the projects that I'm working on, and stay tuned to any like big announcements that I might have. And yeah, just go and follow it. Anyway, I've got a lot of really cool videos coming for you later in 2018, and I have a big announcement that I'm going to be making in like a week or so. So stay tuned. It's a really big project that I've been working on for a while, and I'm really excited about, and I know you guys will love it. So follow Builderdude35 on Instagram, and stay tuned to both that page and here for some big announcements and really exciting news coming up soon. Thanks, and have a great 2018. I'll see you soon on this next video coming this Thursday.